Hello everyone. Next, take a fork. After you have taken a fork, make sure that it is clean to begin with and then take a blue cloth. Now, as you progress with this sewing, make sure that you fold each of these sections using the fork. When you do this, it will form a rather large section as you can see. This will form multiple pleats. Constantly do this until you reach the end of it. This will be the final look of it. Next, we will learn how to make these gloves. In order to do so, take a cloth material, fold it over 2 times as such. Once you are done with this, trace out the shape of your hand to the length that you want it to be in. Once you are done with this, cut it out according to the shape. Before you cut it out, however, make sure that you stitch it according to the shape. After this is what it should begin to look like. Continue to do so until you reach the base as such and then cut out the excess portions of it. Make sure that the top, that is where the thumb is supposed to fit, is empty. Now, after this, reverse the entire cloth and then use it as a little glove. Next, we will be learning how to take the cloth and then use the comb in the process. For this, start off by taking the cloth that you will be sewing and then put the comb onto a table as such. Now, push it through and then begin to stitch using the sewing machine. Now, this is done so that the folds remain even and the same. Now, do the same onto the other side as well. Now, once you are done folding it or putting it through the comb rather, it is much easier to follow up this kind of stitching and make sure that it goes all the way. Next, take this little orange stopper and afterwards put the clock right underneath the sewing machine and twist it as you go forth. This will help ensure that the folds that you are creating are small. Constantly do this until you reach the other end of it. You should have formed multiple pleats by the end of it. Finally, this is what it should begin to look like. This will be the final look of your skirt. Next, take a green cloth and then it should be cut in this case. Afterwards, put this around the rolling section and then roll it inwards and then stitch it accordingly. Once you have rolled it over, it should have done quite an adequate job. This will be the final look of your cloth. Thank you for watching.